Good morning, students of class 6. Today let us continue with the lesson the autograph. Okay. So what did we see in the last class? In the last class we saw that this little boy has broken his leg and he is unable to go for the match. Alright. Now let us see what happens next. So open your books to the lesson the autograph. Today is the 12th. So let us open to the next page. I'll try to get Vince Oliver's autograph for you. His very own name written by himself in his very own handwriting. How about that? Said Steve. Now Steve is who? His brother. His brother is telling him he will try to get Vince Oliver's autograph. Okay, Vince Oliver was one player. Okay, very famous player. So he said, his brother said he will try to get Vince Oliver's autograph for him with his very own name on it written by himself in his very own handwriting. Okay. So his brother told that he will get Vince Oliver's autograph. As he watched his brother and father leave, Mark felt depressed but not quite as much as before. I'm feeling better now, but I hate this plaster, he said to his mother when she came in to see how he was. So he saw his brother and father leave, okay, and Mark felt depressed but not like before. He was not feeling that depressed. He was saying that he is feeling better now, but he hates this plaster. He told his mother when she came in to see how he was doing, he told his mother that he hates this plaster. Will you come into the kitchen and help me do the icing on the cake, Mark? Asked his mother. So his mother asked him, will you come into the kitchen and help me to do the icing on the cake, okay? Icing on the cake meaning a sweet sugary paste that is used to decorate cakes, okay? So his mother told to come into the kitchen and help him to do, help her to do the icing on the cake, okay? You can use the icing bag to make squishly patterns if you like. So she said that you can use the icing bag to make different patterns if you like, okay? Mark was happy to be distracted and hopped into the kitchen on his good leg. So Mark was very happy that now he will at least be distracted with something else. He'll help his mother in the kitchen. So he hopped into the kitchen on one good leg. On one good leg he was hopping and he went into the kitchen. Now let us see what happens next. When his father and Steve got home, he could see that their team had won. So the team who they support, that team won the match. They were grinning all over their faces. We won 3-0, said the father. So they were grinning means they were very happy. They were smiling all over their faces and they won 3-0. Nil meaning 0. Okay, 3-0, said the father. So their team won. Alright. Did you see Vince Oliver? Asked Mark. That was the only thing on his mind. So the only thing on poor Mark's mind was that, did you see Vince Oliver? Of course, he really is brilliant, said Steve. So what did his brother said? Yeah, we saw him and he is very brilliant. Okay, he scored 2 goals. So Vince Oliver scored 2 goals. The sad thing was that nearly at the end of the match, he had a fall and was injured. So what was the sad thing? See over here. The sad thing was that at the end of the match, Vince Oliver had a fall. Okay, and he was injured. He had to be carried away on a stretcher. See, he had to be carried away on a stretcher. Alright. So I hope this much is clear to you today, students. We will do this much for today. The rest of the chapter we will continue in the next class. Alright. So let us come to the word meanings of today. You write this in your English literature copy. The first word meaning is icing, meaning a sweet sugary paste that is used to decorate cakes. The other one is nil, meaning nothing or zero. Alright. So that's all for today, students. Thank you. I hope the lesson is clear to you this much. We will continue with the lesson in the next class. Thank you, students, and God bless you.